Once you figure out a research topic or a more specific research question, you want to turn to the databases. But databases don't work the same way like a search engine, like a Google search. So if you put in a question into Google, it often gives you an answer. But with a database, that usually doesn't work. It doesn't understand what you're trying to say, what you're trying to do, so it'll undercompensate, so you'll get 0 results, or overcompensate and get way too many to look through. So in order to search the databases, you want to use something called keywords. Keywords are the main ideas of your research topic or question. So let's say I want to search in SHU Index. To get to SHU Index, I want to go to Research Support, Databases by Subject, click on Social Work, and click on SHU Index with full text. After doing some pre-research, I've decided that my research question is, what are the mental health outcomes for immigrant children? So from that question, I can think of the keywords immigrant, children, and mental health. In between the search boxes, you have a drop-down menu that has the words and, or, and not. These are going to tell the database how you want to connect those words. And is probably the most used. It's going to be the most useful to you, but it's important to know how the other ones work as well. So think of it like pizza. Let's say you want to order sausage and mushroom pizza. You're going to get one pizza with both those toppings. In the database, and makes your search more specific. Let's say you want to order sausage or mushroom pizza. You're going to get a lot more pizza. In the database, you're giving yourself a lot more options by using or. Let's say you want to order Pepe's, not Sally's. You're wanting to order a very specific kind of pizza. In the database, not is going to help clarify and specify those words that you actually want to appear in your search. So in this example, I'm going to leave and defaulted to both of these drop-down menus because I want to make my search as specific as possible. I'm also going to add quotation marks around mental health because I want to tell the database that I want that searched as a phrase and not as 2 separate words, mental and health. And now I'm ready to get my search started. In the middle of the page are all of the search results, the titles of the articles or book chapters, whatever is available in this particular database. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Refined Results section, which will help narrow down your results even further. Over time, you'll learn which categories are going to be most useful to you, but generally speaking, you'll want to look at the publication date and then the peer-reviewed checkbox. So I know I want peer-reviewed journals in my search, so I'm going to go ahead and check on that. And within social work, you want to make sure that your research is current. So within the last 10 years, I'm going to change the date to 2008. And it'll update. Because I used a subject-specific database, I didn't have as many results in the first place, but now that I've narrowed it down to peer-reviewed research between 2008 and 2018, I have even fewer to look through. And that might sound maybe backwards, that you want more results, but these are going to be specific results to your specific research topic or question. So if I click on the title of an article, that takes me to a detail record page. This is going to show me even more information about this particular article. I have the authors and the abstract, which is the summary for the article. Always read the abstract. It'll save you a lot of time in the long run when you realize that the article title wasn't as descriptive as you thought it was, and the actual article isn't about what you're researching. The other thing to look at in the detailed record view are these subject terms. Subjects are different from keywords in that they are specific to the database. So keywords you just made up yourself from the main ideas of your research topic. Subject terms are the database's way of organizing information so that it's easier to find. So you might click on immigrant children in this case, and it'll take you to a whole new search where immigrant children is now a subject search, which is denoted by this DE here.